So today we did a simulated practice for major triage for our second year students. This is something that they've learnt recently within one of their modules, and it's something that they might not necessarily come across in a real life situation. So we best simulated it as best as possible so that they gain that real life experience.
What's gone on today is there's been a major trauma incident. It was a bit of like a fight or an assault that's gone on. There's multiple casualties, lots of different injuries. We've all had to sort of triage the patients, categorise them into different categories of most likely to die to least. As more crews arrived, we each took a patient and sort of had to deal with them, triage them, sort them out, and then move them on to further care.
We try and incorporate a lot of high fidelity simulation into the Paramedic Science course. That way it gives them some really good real life simulated practice. We do it for all our year groups, first, second and third year, and we relate that to what they've learned in the modules at university.
So the benefits of this kind of simulation is that it gives us sort of real world experience, things that maybe we don't see as often in the real world. But could happen, and which I don't want to go in there blind, so it gives us like a feel of what it would be really like in a real world situation.